Let's see the question. The question में given है कि in the reported figure, heat energy absorbed by a system in going through a cyclic process is dash by joule. Okay. So हमें इस cyclic process में heat absorb कितना हुआ वो find करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now इस question में हमारा जो key concept है that is from first law of thermodynamics, from first law of thermodynamics, हम क्या जानते हैं कि del Q, that is change in heat, is equals to change in internal energy plus change in work done, right? सेकेंड जो की कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर लगेगा that is work done in a PV graph. PV graph. So work done in a PV graph is what? That is the area under the curve. Okay. Now from first law of thermodynamics, हम क्या जानते हैं कि del Q is equals to del U plus del W. Okay. Now this is what? ये एक cyclic process है. Cyclic process. Now cyclic process में क्या होता है? Internal energy is equals to zero because the final and initial temperature is zero. So the internal energy change is also zero. So this is zero. That means heat absorbed is equals to the work done through the process. Now work done find करने के लिए हमें एरिया अंडर द कर्व निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो एरिया अंडर द कर्व में क्या होगा कि we have to find only the area of this part only. Okay, so let's say कि ये 2b है और ये 2a है, राइट? सो इसको अगर हम एक इलिप्स समझे, so in that case a is what? A is 10, that is 2a is equals to 20, so a is 10 and b is also 10. So इसका एरिया क्या होगा? That is del w is equals to area of the ellipse, that is pi ab, that is equals to pi into 10 into 10. इसका यूनिट होगा किलो पास्कल इंटू लीटर, राइट? क्योंकि प्रेशर किलो पास्कल में और वॉल्यूम लीटर में, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 100 पाई इंटू 10 टू दी पावर 3 पास्कल इंटू 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, because 1 liter is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 liter cube meter cube. So 10 to the power 3 से 10 to the power minus 3 कट गया, that is equals to 100 pi joule, right? So del W is 100 pi joule. That means del Q is what? Also 100 pi joule, क्योंकि del Q is equals to del W. So हमारा जो heat energy absorbed होगा that is 100 pi joule. So our answer is 100. Okay, and this is our correct answer. Hope you understand it. Best of luck.